Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming coordinates and units so corrections behave predictably. Start Autocad, open your DWG, and immediately check UCS versus World to avoid misalignment. Next, set units and precision so your offsets are exact. This prevents rounding errors later. Use ID or list on the target point to capture current X and Y values. Once you have those numbers, you know both what to change and why. The drawing's coordinate system and units determine every adjustment you'll make. You now perform the core correction, moving objects to exact coordinates. If you use move, pick a logical base point and type the displacement as delta x, y to ensure absolute placement. This preserves relative geometry. When working with blocks or assemblies, align is faster. Pick matching source and destination points to lock position and rotation. Alternatively, open properties and edit position X and Y numerically for isolated entities. These methods give deterministic results because you're specifying exact values rather than guessing. You finish by verifying and protecting your fixes. Use ID or list to confirm the moved elements match target X and Y precisely. Once satisfied, lock the UCS or switch to WCS and save a new DWG version so you can revert if needed. If positions still look off, run audit or recover to fix file corruption and check for non-uniform scale in blocks or viewport overrides. These often mask coordinate issues. Make sure to retest after each fix so small errors don't compound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.